Hello students, welcome to School Quiz. My name is Mohan Gupta and I am your physics teacher. In this video, I am going to discuss the most important topic for term 1, CBSE class 10th. So, without wasting any time, let's start our important topic, which probably come in our examination. So, mirror formula. What is mirror formula? Mirror formula is nothing but a relation between U, V and F. What is mirror formula? It is a relation between U, V and F. What is that relation? That is 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is equal to 1 by F. Now, what is this term U, V and F? Let's make an convex mirror and understand. Suppose this is pole, this is focus, and this is center of curvature. You already know that this point is called pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature, because we have read in our previous classes. So I want to tell you that what is U. Here U is the distance of image from the pole of mirror. Okay, this distance, suppose if we place our object here, then this distance is U. What is U? Distance of object from the pole of mirror. What is V? If we place an object in on the center of curvature, then we know that the image will be formed on the center of curvature. So this distance, the distance of image from the pole of mirror, is called V. What is V? Distance of image from the pole of mirror. This is V. And what is F? F is focal length of our mirror. So this is our mirror formula, that is 1 by V plus 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is equal to 1 by F. And we know that we know a relation that F is equal to R by 2. So we can also derive, or we can also know one formula or one relation between them, that is 2 by R. This is 2 by R because F is equal to R by 2, and if you reciprocal, you will get 1 by F is equal to 2 by R. So this is also one of the important relation, that 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. This is equal to 2 by R. This will be useful in our numerical. And one good news for you student, that derivation portion is removed. No derivation will come from the mirror formula. Okay, now this is the relation of mirror formula. Now another question about this topic is that if we already have ray diagram, so why we need to study mirror formula? Okay, so the answer is also quite good of this question, that in this case, in ray diagram, we know that if we place an object in center of curvature, then image will be formed on the center of curvature. But this distance, how we know that this is the actual distance? This is the actual distance of center of curvature. Ray diagram only give from ray diagram we only get a rough idea. From ray diagram we only get a rough idea about the distance. But in mirror formula we will get the actual length. But Suppose if we apply the mirror formula in this case, that is 1 by u plus 1 by v, then we will get the actual length of focus length. Okay, in by the use of mirror formula, we will get actual length of focus and center of curvature. So this is all about our mirror formula. So thank you for watching this video, guys. For numericals, please go through our website, that is theschoolquiz.com, and sign up for the MCQs to get the MCQs of this chapter. Okay.